Today I will show you how you can implement Google Fonts package to access over 1400 fonts that can be used anywhere in Flutter application. Google Fonts package provide a wide range of fonts that can be used to improve the fonts of user interface. First of all, we need to introduce the package by going to the pub/spec.yaml file. Here we will add the dependency called Google Fonts. After adding the dependency, don't forget to run flutter pubget command in the terminal to download the package. Coming back to our main file, we need to import the package to the dot file where it will be used. There are basically different approaches to access Google Fonts in Flutter application. In this tutorial, we will create multiple text widgets inside the column widget, which will cover 3 different approaches to access Google Fonts. So the first one is using Google Fonts with the default text style. For that, we will create a text widget with some text. In the style, we will call Google Fonts dot and the name of the font that we want to use, for example, Apple font. We can also give it a custom size using font size property. We can also load the font dynamically, which is the second approach to access the Google Fonts. For that, we will create a text widget with a string. In the style, we will pass Google Font.getFont, and here we will add the name of the font that we want to use. After hard reloading, you can see that our font has been changed. Another approach to access Google Fonts is to use Google Fonts with existing text style. For example, we have a text widget with some style, and if we want to change the font of the text without changing anything, we will simply wrap the text style with the style and pass Google Font dot the name of the font that we want to use. For example, if I choose Loopster font here, you can see that our font is changed. There are multiple attributes of Google Fonts that we can play around with. For example, we have a text widget with some text. In the style, we will pass Google Fonts dot the name of the font. For example, I choose Anton font here. We can give it a custom font size. We can specify its color using the color property. Letter spacing is another property which determines the space between letters. Text baseline property is used for aligning the text. We can also give background color to the text using background color property. With word spacing property, we can specify the space between words. Well, that's how you can implement the Google Fonts package in your applications to access a wide range of fonts that can be used to improve the fonts of the user interface.